What is going on, guys? Thanks for clicking on this video and welcome back to the channel. Well, we just got done shooting an 8-man limit of roosters out here in western North Dakota, and the very unfortunate news is I forgot the GoPro batteries back at the house here, and the drive to the spot is pretty good drive, and we decided not to go get them because it was kind of too far of a drive, and I did not get any clips or anything of the 8-man, so I'm just gonna be posting that on the Instagram. So if you want to go check that out, it's at ND Outdoors. A like and a follow would be greatly appreciated. But we're gonna head out there again tomorrow. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get another limit because there's gonna be 5 of us: me, Leighton, Nate, Matt, and Leighton's dad. So we're gonna try another spot with a tree row that we've pushed in previous years, but we shouldn't have a problem getting our limit. But this is private land and not public, so that's like the unfortunate part. And yes, all these birds are free ranging, and it's not like a bird farm or anything. It's just western North Dakota is insane for pheasants. So I'm gonna keep this short and simple, but hopefully tomorrow is gonna get good, so fingers crossed. And I'll pick you guys back up tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon or whenever we decide to head out, and I'll pick you guys back up on the GoPro because I'll be running strictly the GoPro, and I'll have my point of view and Nate's, so it could get pretty good, so stay tuned. Well, I'm gonna try and get you guys out of the wind here, but we just made it to spot 1, and over there Matt, Nate, and Leighton, they're all gonna be walking this tree row. And from past years' experience, they fly over this ditch into this CRP. So I'm posted up right now, and Leighton's dad down there, he's gonna be posted up walking down this way. So in reality, hopefully these birds fly right over me, but it should be pretty good. Nate's gonna be rolling on his GoPro, or the other GoPro, so I'll have Nate's point of view if he shoots a couple. But this could get pretty good because, like I said in the intro, this land is kind of insane and there's a lot of it, and this is not a bird farm or anything. All free ranging birds, so I hope you guys enjoy this because it could get pretty good. Here they come, here they come. Oh, rooster. Oh my God. Well, here's the first bird. Well, we're about halfway done with this walk. Yeah, I will. It's in my back. Well, I told you guys this was insane. I don't know how many we have down, but I have 1 so far, and they just keep coming out. Like I said, this is all free range birds. This land is insane out here. And all those birds I got up just go in this stuff. We'll just walk that. We should have no problem getting our limit.
All right, you guys probably can't hear me very well, but we're gonna walk this tree row, see if we can jump a couple birds out of there. There goes one right up there. Should get good here. We got Matt and Leighton over there. Matt's walking in the trees. Here. There's a rooster. They're just walking to the end. He landed. God. There's two.
Well, there's my second one. I'm trying to keep an eye on him, but good shot, Layden. Atta boy. Yeah. Well, I only need one more bird and I'm limited. Just like that. I'm sure they're pretty close to it too, but oh, this is so fun. I think if I limit out and we keep going, I might try and get the big camera. Here comes more. He was 4. I need one more. Okay. Well, there's a big swing and miss.
Getting to the end here, so this should start pouring out here pretty soon. There's one there. Rooster! Yeah. No, I think he's dead over here.
There goes one. Atta boy. And there's my limit. Just like that. North Dakota pheasants right there. That is insane. Took 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes. And here comes more. Yep. Look at this, right at me. 10. Yeah. I don't know what to say. I knew it was gonna be good, but holy crap, I did not know it was gonna be that good. These are pretty young birds. Right here. Yep. Layton shot one over here on the fence that I see, so I think we might have all limited out just like that. 10 minutes. That's all it took. That's Layton's he just shot for his limit, so.
Plus the one Matt just added.
Well?
No, 66.
What'd you think of that one?
It was good. good.
Well, there's our 4-man in a matter of, I don't know, 10 minutes?
10, 20 minutes.
Are you recording?
Yeah. Well, as you just seen, we just got the fastest 4-man limit of pheasants I've ever been a part of. It's us three, Nate, Matt, and then we're following Leighton and his dad. So Leighton's dad was on the end of the tree row, and those three, Leighton, Matt, Nate, pushed the tree row, and he was on the end, and he didn't really get much shots off. Well, he got a couple, but he was taking long pokes at them and didn't end up killing any. So we shot our 4 limit, as you saw from my perspective and Nate's. I think I got a few clips of Leighton shooting a couple, and I think Nate got a few of Matt, but I think the plan for the rest of this, because I don't know how long this video is going to be, is we might go call some draws for some coyotes, because we've seen a lot out here recently. But I'll pick the camera back up when we get to the first spot for coyotes, so stay tuned. Well, as you can see, I made it back home, and we ended up not being able to find any coyotes. We went to 3 different spots, sat for probably an hour and a half for total, and never saw any coyotes, so we just decided to pack up, and I made it back home. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, because that was something I'll remember for a long time. All those pheasants coming out one time, and you don't see that often because that land is just insane. And I hope you guys enjoyed the clips that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed the 2 separate point of views that I got, and then the one that Nate was wearing. So if you did enjoy that, please hit that like and subscribe. And like I said earlier, I just posted on Instagram, so go check that out if you haven't, and it's at ND Outdoors. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.